grandma was a great life learned lesson. Teach me all my life skill, what I know and surviving with today. All these things come from this old lady, you know. Yes, he teach me my life skill. That's why I can stand up so strong. And money become valuable. But the reason for the money become valuable from my perspective, it because the way you think about money, that's why money becomes so personal and valuable to you. For me, money have no fucking value. I just spend money if I have to spend money. You know? So I'm not here to greedy and grabbing money and things like that. No. Like I say, Macho, money is just this piece of paper. Look at it. You put it down like that. What can it do? It can't do nothing, Macho. It can't do nothing. It have no value, Macho. It's you make it become valuable because you take it so personal onto yourself.
It only exists if everyone believes in it. You're right.
I said it only exists just like you say because they put the belief in the people's mind to hold on it. Mm-hmm. And the first thing you should know about this piece of paper, it's all about debt. It's just, you never see a man or a woman photo and a money which is still here with us. He always somebody who die, you know. Mm. So I didn't even understand this, you know, and I didn't want to get into this because I have a little knowledge about how the society really deal with this money and Freemason world, you know. But I'm gonna leave it right there, you know, because certain things you don't say because YouTube don't accept certain things, you know. No,
boo-hoo. Yeah. Sorry, haters.
Yeah. YouTube don't accept certain things, so certain things you leave it alone, you know. Because they won't put out a video and it causes problem with these guys, you know. So I understand that very good because it's big time Babylon people you're dealing with, you know. It's not normal people, you know.
Ain't not normal.
No, so they have to bring it to their private room and watch it and question it. 5 guys talk to maybe 5 other people and say, wonder if this word to put out for people to see it or whatever. Maybe 3 say yes, 2 say no, and they cancel it, you know. And you have to redo it again and things like that. So certain things, you leave it alone, right? I know that. So I just leave it like that. But just like I say, I'm going to just here chill a little, waiting for my friend to go to Somerset Falls and show her around the falls, you know. When I say friend, it's not an intimate friend, you know. No formal relationship. I'm just here to help the guests and protect the guests. And if they ask me to assist them around, I will, without a cost, no fee for it. I'm not looking for nothing. If you want to offer me a drink, I will take it. And it all depends too, how I feel. If I don't feel for it, I don't take it, you know. But I appreciate what you offer me the same way, you know. Yes, even the guy from America, where you see me and him out there at the Western Union. When he collect the money at the Western Union, he asked me, Chucky, you need some money to take me here. I said, no, I didn't take you here for money. I just follow you because I want to help you and make you get through when your mother send the money. I don't want nothing from him. I'm okay, you know. For him, it was so grateful to hear somebody say that. Because when he was in Port Antonio, he told me, it's not like here. Since he come to my place, he find a total different energy. He tried to get in calm down now and relax and feel like he's in the real Jamaica now, you know. Yes, because he started to realize that problem to say, people think he have money. He don't have money. He just come here with $300 because he is a little bit stressed and depressed in the United States. So he want to find a place of peace, you know. That's why he say he want to go to Mokoto. And he want to stay at Chucky place. And he was so happy to meet you, Macho.
Yeah, it was cool to meet him too. He knew everything. Nice guy.
Yes,
nice
man.
Guy.
And I like his honesty, you know.
Yeah, totally.
He talk his past, you know. He don't keep it to himself, you know.
Yeah.
And that's, I like open-minded people,
Very
you know?
real person.
Yes, real person, you know. So I will help this guy as long as he be around me, you know. Yes. So this freelance guy come back now from the supermarket. Supermarket open.
You got some goods?
Yeah, we got
What's
some
in the bag?
Fruit, some plantain, cucumber, red pepper,
nice.
and nutmeg, man.
Good. Jam?
Little jam, strawberry jam. Jerk
juice.
barbecue.
Oh, some juice. Okay, some juice. These guys score.
Are you gonna take it back with
I
you?
want to take this back home. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Yes. You should bring back some spice.
Spice too. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I have a.
That's when you go back, you can make your own barbecue at home.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly.
Maybe you can do a freelance barbecue. Don't buy no grill, no barbecue machine in Babylon, Walmart. Just get a gas buckle.
I want to learn how to weld now,
Yeah.
Chucky. After seeing this one is so good.
Yeah, it's super.
This one is so nice right here. It's such a good barbecue.
Even you guys, when you go back to England, just use only a gas buckle and take it to the welder. I make a freelance style, you know? Yeah, show your mother, say, this is the way now. Yeah, you, Ollie.
Yeah. I'm sure, Mom.
Yeah, that nice one you have at home,
Yeah.
where you plug in and make barbecue. You remember that one? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, the gas buckle that you throw away, you bring it to the welder shop in your car. Fix it like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's something to be said about this though, because everyone talks about recycling, but if you look at recycling, the stuff you put in the cans and whatever, 90% of that ends up in the trash anyway.
Yeah.
So the real way to save things is to
that's true.
reuse.
Reuse.
Just like you're doing. Recycling is kind of a bullshit term because a lot of that stuff doesn't go where we're told it's going. So
That's true.
That like your
That's
thing
true.
of reusing that propane tank into a barbecue, that's the real deal right there.
That's how people used to live first time, you know.
Yeah.
People never used to waste nothing, you know. When was growing up in the 70s, you know. People don't waste things. People reuse things like what him said.
Yeah.
For something new.
Yeah, you don't throw it away.
Yeah.
You reuse
You don't
it.
hand it off to the guy who says
No.
he's gonna recycle it.
No.
You do something with
We
it.
used to have some cup, they call it enamel cup. And the washing pan where you wash it,
Yeah.
when it have a hole, it's not like this Babylon plastic one, it break and throw it away. They have a man, they call him the solder man, just like a welder. He will come to your house and walk around and say if you have anything to fix.
Just
back
fix
there.
all your metal
Yes.
stuff. Yeah.
Moko know about it too.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, that's the original way. People never used to waste things, you know. No.
Now everything just.
All these pots, where do you think they make this pot?
Where did they make them?
They melt up the aluminum
Yeah.
and use the mold.
I see the lady say Jamaica on
Yeah. That's how they make this pot. That's why they look for scrap metal, all aluminum scrap metal. And they put it on the wood fire, hot fire, and melt up back all the aluminum to liquid. And then just throw it through the little hole. But the formation of the pot already in the dirt from the mold, you know. I know, my friend used to make it, you know.
Yeah.
A guy named Dr. Sprum.
You make his own.
Yeah, man,
Oh,
a guy
wow.
named Dr. Sprum.
That's some real recycling right there.
He used to make all these coffin where they bury people in it.
Yeah.
He used to make all the handle them and sell them, you know.
No way.
And for the gas stove, the burner,
Yeah.
when they get bad, Dr. Sprum used to make it back, you know. But him lose him way and get stupid, you know. Now he's in America as a slave, you know.
What?
He's in America as a slave, you know. Yes, working 9 to 5, you know, and forget about Jamaica and forget. He went away, leave his house over there and the land, you know. So I want Dr. Sprum to come back and go back to your roots and find your own way, you know, and leave Babylon, you know. Because he's a good guy, you know. He's very creative mind, you know. But I don't know what flying his mind. He's told. Yes, he's handcuffed himself to Babylon because he claimed that his mother filed for him, you know.
His mother filed for him.
File for him, do paperwork. That you could come to the United States, just like in England.
Oh yeah, because she thought that would be.
A better way for him. But he upset it too. Because he go there and relax now, you know.
So you think you here are living a better life than he is in America?
Yes,
Yeah, I would say.
he know too.
Yeah.
But just because you're a little bit stubborn,
He doesn't want to come back.
he don't want to come back. And thinking about this rich cream too, you know. He want to get rich before he can come back to Jamaica. Because he have a plan, maybe he want to come back and make up this big concrete jungle house and all these things, you know.
Well, here in Jamaica?
Yeah, to show off on
Oh,
people.
what, once he earns the money in America, he's going to come.
Yes.
The problem is most people spend it all when they're there too.
I know.
right?
Can you lose back the money? The only way you can bring back money to Jamaica, you have to find a way to think outside the box and sell drugs or do some fuckery, you know, to get that money. But just wake up normal, go into a job in America, England, Europe, anywhere. You're not going to make it that way. If you even going to make it, you're going to come at Jamaica when you're whole. To do the legal way in foreign, a 9 to 5, You're not gonna make that good money that you can make up big house in Jamaica and thing like that. It's good for the next generation, but not for you personal self, you know. Like your kids them, because by the time you have to work and become 65 and 20 more, you get fucked up, you know. Yes, so your kids, grandkids would have your better way of life, you know. And that's some people don't understand about life, you know. You need to have a line. Don't care what job you're doing, you need to have a line. Say 40 me stop work. Don't care about money nor nothing. You need to enjoy your life. You cannot just give away your life because of money to Babylon and continue being a slave. You need a point where you say you stop. But to be honest, I'm not telling you to stop and doing nothing. You stop with a plan that develop your own self-sufficient, just like me or something else, where you have a little money coming in. And I'm talking about a rich stream, you know? Just money that you can pay your bills and buy a little food, you know. Yeah, man, you can satisfy with that. Simple life, you know. Yeah, what do you think about it?
I think you seem a lot more satisfied than a lot of people where I'm from. Like, you're laughing all the time, which is, I don't know, so it's almost like rare in England that people laugh. People are very, you know,
serious.
Serious,
Yeah, we call it that,
serious,
yeah.
and you're just like playful and just happy and.
Well, to be honest, the people in Jamaica, they don't have much. But to be honest, they're more happier than the people in Europe, where have all these material things around them, you know, because they are more depressed with life, you know. Yes, because you have to stress thinking about what's gonna come next, what the most bill and thing like that. You have it in Jamaica too, you know, because most people put themselves in that position, you know.
Yeah.
That's why it's a freelance Chucky. The bank in Port Anthony offer me to have a credit card, you know. Yeah.
What do you think of that?
I tell this lady, you see, say,
Say, load it up.
Yeah.
Give me a few mil.
I tell this lady,
Come
say,
on.
no,
That's what I do.
I don't do it. I tell the lady, say, to be honest, you see, what I learn about credit card and question and learn from my grandmother, for me, credit card is like when I was growing up with my grandmother in the 70s. My grandmother have no money. So he would say, as a little boy, go over that lady with the shop and tell her to give you a pound of rice, pound of sugar and salt, fish or maybe tin mackerel. Till when I get some money weekend, she'll give me the money or she go and give it to the lady with the shop. So for me, it's that way these people get the knowledge from and come up with this credit card idea to put you in debt. So for me, credit card is like you go and trust people things because you have no money. But they're going to do it in a decent way, make you feel polite and feel good and make you feel comfortable, say it's a good way.
Yeah.
You understand?
I understand.
But it's still like you're poor because you cannot afford it. So they put you in debt and now you have to be slave to get the money, to put back in the credit card. And if you don't pay the specific time where they give you, they put up more weird spanage, you have to pay $20 more, all this fuckery, you know. So I don't do these things, you know. Any money I have in the bank, it's debit card.
Yeah,
so when I
it's
spend my money, it's my own money. So I don't have to pay back debt, you know.
Yeah.
No.
I feel you. You're good if you pay off your credit card every month, great. If you're running credit card debt, you are...
Loads of people in America are though, right?
Oh, a lot of people are, yeah.
Yeah.
And
You
the
can just
interest
get
rate...
like 5 different credit cards and
Yeah.
take out like money on all of them.
Yeah, you can
And then
pay
you're
off
in
one
debt.
with the next. Pay off one.
That's not a good idea.
This is not a good idea. Thank you, Chucky.
It's not a good idea. You cannot use one credit card to pay off another credit card. It makes no sense.
Well, you can, but things are gonna come crashing down.
It's not gonna make no sense because it's not clear. You just go back to the next debt on the next credit card.
Good thing there's so many banks over there.
You understand?
Oh, in America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would never do this thing, you know. Because I always think about freeway, you know. So I don't make higher purchase, you know. I will never go to. Me's the only man in Jamaica, maybe. Will never go to a store in Port Anthony, Kingston, and take out things on higher purchase. Never. Because when you do these things, I think you pay double.
You can't, because the interest rate is insane. It's crazy, and people don't even realize.
People don't realize
They don't
these
realize
things.
how much you're paying, and then you're only paying off interest. You're not even paying off your card. It's crazy.
They brainwash the people in a sense that's like when you come into Christmas now. They tell you, oh, you can come to the store and just bring your ID and your TRM and whatever and your pay slip. You don't, at first, you don't have to pay them nothing. And they will give you a settee, a fridge, anything you want.
Who are these people?
I'll take two.
Who are these people?
Poor people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they make it for the poor people, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
Coming up to Christmas right here.
yeah, in Jamaica.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
That's not great. So we're gonna get the money to pay for it. Some people,
Well, helping poor people is great, though. Yeah.
some people start it and end up back lose it, just like in England. You're supposed to pay £20,000. You end up pay 5 and cannot pay no more. And then they come and take back the car from you. You understand?
Yeah.
And you lose £500 and lose the car and lose everything. So I would prefer save £10,000 and then go and purchase the car cash. Because when they purchase on the long term, you end up pay £20,000, you know. Yeah, 'cause it become double. Because maybe this month you say, fuck it, I'm not gonna pay for it this month. And then they had more tax to it, you know. Next month it's gonna cost you more.
You need to always have enough to pay.
Right, but I
Yeah,
say
all your
sometimes
taxes.
you have a problem and that money have to go somewhere else.
Sometimes, yeah, an unexpected problem. Yeah.
So you jump from this one and jump over there. So it's like a jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire.
Yeah, sure.
You jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire.
I think we should do a segment like Chucky's School of Finance. Or
Yes.
It's called That's a Bad
Yes.
Idea. Don't get a fucking
Yes,
credit card.
yes,
Stay
yes.
out of debt.
Yes.
And pay cash.
Pay cash, straight up
I
cash.
like
you know.
it.
I don't make a purchase on nothing. I don't
Yeah.
credit nothing.
You don't really buy too much either. Though,
No.
You know,
No.
you just,
I buy what I really need. I
Yeah.
don't buy what I want.
yeah.
Because wants and need is total two different things. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
Wants based upon society.
Read and,
Society make you want, you know?
Mm.
Yes, that's why Babylon use mirror. When you pass in a store, if they have board like this, you cannot see what inside to attract your mind, you know? So that's why when you go Port Antonio or in England, when you're walking on the street, it's a big glass place to show you what they have inside, to reflect back on your fucking mind, you know? So it make you become wants, you know? And when you want and go, maybe use credit card then, or even use cash and take it. In 2 weeks' time, you realize, fuck, I don't
wonders,
need this
yeah.
thing, you know? It's just all about wants, make I have it.
And it's almost never need.
Never.
yeah, I was going to say, in England, people have like garages and we call them attics, which is like the, I don't know what you call it, the top level of the
attics
house.
and above the
Attics,
house, above the second floor.
People have that full of stuff, just stuff, so much fucking
Yeah?
stuff, yeah. Mine is, bro, it's shit. Just stuff fucking everywhere, so much stuff, and then you come here, and it's just like, you've just got so minimal, like you just got the stuff you bring and stuff that you could need, like basic kitchen and basic washing and
Yeah.
just
Yeah, you
toilet and a shower.
don't, you don't need more than that.
No, you don't.
You don't need more than that. So,
It's actually better to have less, because then you don't have to worry, like you said.
I love that about traveling when you're like, okay, I got 3 shirts. I guess I'm wearing this one. And it really removes a lot of decisions.
Thinking, standing around for 10 minutes thinking, oh,
Yeah.
this.
a lot of tourists come here with backpack and all these things. And when they come here at Jamaica and even my place, they realize, say, fuck, why I bring all these things here to Jamaica? I don't need it, just like what Matcha say. I just need 2 pants and a couple t-shirts. And they bring all these wool pack clothes. You have to have this heavy load bring back. I hear a lot of people say next time they come in, not like that no more in Jamaica. You just need maybe 2 pants.
2 shirts.
I know people from Germany come here with just 1 pants.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah? One
Yeah.
fucking pants.
And then when they're washing their pants, they're running with their ass out.
he just have one
just wears
pants
them
and
as he
2
washes
shorts,
it.
just like this guy. He so freelance, you know. Yeah, he real freelance, you know. he just come here like with 1 pants, you know, and just use that shirt every day. It's typical German culture, that. Yes, the German good at money, you know.
Germans good at traveling.
Yes,
Good at-
and money.
Yeah.
Germans good at money. Yeah.
Yes, they could find the cheapest way they do it. Yeah, they're real good at money.
All right. Well, coming soon, I think we'll have to do a part
Yeah.
2. Finance.
Yes.
Chucky's School of
Part two,
Finance.
School of Finance. Yeah, we coming up to that, you know.
Nice,
the
Chucky.
next time, one love, bless, you know.
Bless up.
Respect
Yes,
every
Ollie.
time, you know.
There you go.